Well, hey there, all you adorable people. We're going to talk about ratio tables today and finding the rule of the table using our Desmos calculator. So let's join in and do this thing. So if I look at this ratio table in front of me, right, I have 1 to 7, 3 to 21, some number to 56, and 9 to 63. Well, if we think of this as like an input-output table, on the left side, we have the input, and on the right side, we have this output, right? Or we can think of it as an XY table or a ratio table. It doesn't really matter, right? So let's look. We have to figure out the rule. Well, I have to think to myself, 1 times what would give me 7? Well, that's easy, right? That's times 7. And I have to think to myself, well, what times 3 would give me 21? Well, again, times 7. I don't know this number here, but is 9 times 7 63? Yeah, it is. And I could check all these in a calculator. 3 times 7, 21. 9 times 7, 63. 1 times 7, obviously 7. So now I just have to fill out this missing piece. Well, if the rule of the table is times 7, and remember with ratio tables, we're multiplying or dividing, right? Now that I'm going from left to right, from little to big, I'm multiplying by 7. So to figure out this missing number, I have to work backwards and divide by 7. So my calculator, I'm going to take 56 divided by 7, and I get that x is 8. So the missing number to my table is 8. So once you find the rule, you can apply the rule to the entire table. And it's just that simple. Well, if I look at this second example and it says, look at the table below. If I have 7 gallons of red paint and 28 gallons of yellow paint, would that be equivalent to these numbers on the table? Well, first things first, we have to find the rule. Now, this one's kind of obvious, right? 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. I'm going to check all those to make sure that my rule is times 3. So you just have a calculator. You go straight down the list. 2 times 3. Oops, I did divide it. Jeez, Pizzies, guys. Let's clear that. 2 times 3 gave me 6. 3 times 3 gave me 9. 4 times 3 gave me 12. And then that 5 times 3 gave me 15. So since each row is times 3, that rule of the table is times 3, right? If it wasn't obvious like this one, then I would work backwards. I would take a number over here and divide by the number over here to find the rule, right? 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that would kind of let us know the rule if we worked backwards. Well, let's get up to our problem. Our problem said if I have 7 red, so I'm going to put that 7 here, and 28 gallons of yellow, would that be equivalent? Well, let's take our 7 times 3. So if I have 7 gallons of red times that rule, 3, I should have 21 gallons of yellow. So no, 7 to 28 is not equivalent to that. So you can use your knowledge of ratio tables in finding the rule to help you answer challenging questions. If you have any questions for me, you just let me know. If not, I'll see you later. Love you. Bye.